I was what for Trump, and you be the rat. What? What? Take it off. 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 I'm American. I'm American. Take it off.
What's going on?
Yeah, very quickly. About 2 hours ago, we had one of our customers who became quite belligerent and physical with us. She would not calm down. We detected she's been drinking heavily before she got on the plane. That we did detect until about 2 hours ago. We're suspecting there's other medication that she's been using. And so she became very physical. We did have to restrain her. We did use the flex cuffs.
Did anyone get hit or anything?
No, she pushed me a few times and grabbed us and grabbed our legs a few times. But we did put flex cuffs on her. She is
all in the back?
All in the back.
I'm going to need to talk to you later on.
Okay.
But let's just go back there and we'll let everybody disembark. Okay. Have her stay on the plane till everybody gets.
Oh, you want everyone off first?
Everybody wants off first?
Yeah. Okay.
I don't understand how, because it's Bush America. What she have? What she have? Nothing. You have.
Everybody go. Let them go.
You have.
How do you, ma'am?
Nah, good.
Yeah.
Can you
speak English?
No, yes, I speak English.
My
Can
name
you
is Deputy
because
Hall.
I don't have, I'm not too, please
What's
open.
your name?
I open. It's very short. Anastasia. Anastasia Rudna, yes.
I need you to take
Oh
a
my
deep
God.
breath for me.
Open. I know. No. I cannot feel my arm. Please open my arm. I cannot feel my arm. Please open my arm.
Actually quite normal.
Yes. Open. I ask you open. I ask you open. I have studio. I am American. I don't know any. I am studio. Yes, you can check. I'm American. I have studio. Open the arm. I not feel. No, I am not feel my arm. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm not feel my arm. I'm not feel my arm.
All right, people, y'all can get up and get your stuff and get off the plane.
Yes, I killed someone. I killed someone.
Thank you all very much.
I killed someone. I killed someone. Hey, you relax. I say to you.
On October 7th, 2025, sheriff's deputies responded to a grounded JetBlue flight where cabin crew had already restrained an intoxicated passenger using flex cuffs. The crew's restraint was civilian no Fourth Amendment issue. The moment deputies assumed custody, Graham versus Connor 1989 applied force, judged by totality of circumstances known to the officer at that moment. The spit hood was legally defensible given active spitting. But dismissing "I cannot feel my arm" as actually quite normal violates the medical documentation duty under City of Revere versus Massachusetts General Hospital 1983. The subject's spontaneous statements, "I killed someone, I'm a Russian spy," are fully admissible under Rhode Island versus Innis 1980. Her physical contact with crew also triggers federal exposure under 49 U.S.C. section 46,318.
Oh my God, I'm not feeling my arm. I'm not feeling my arm. I'm American woman. Open my arm. I cannot feel. Can you excuse me? Can someone listen to me, please?
You want to get out?
I'm okay.
I'm American. I have to come to be American. No one listens to me.
Yeah, they asked for no.
Why is it to become to be American if no one listens to me and no one helps to me? I don't feel my arm.
Trading the clothes. We moved her back there. We had to handcuff her.
The whole time.
5 hours.
Well,
From what you
first thing started
ascertained.
with, she came on. We gave her 2 drinks. She was fine. She was talking to us. She seems normal. She went up to her bag. got some stuff out of her bag, came back here. She was talking. I went up front there. She was talking to the number 3, to Susan. And I don't know if she went into the bathroom or not. I can't confirm that. But
Something
then she started to get loud. Yeah, she started to get loud. So we tried to quiet her down. There's none of the seatbelts on us, so we set her back to the seat.
How long was you fucking?
A couple minutes later, the lady right there, 27, Delta came back and said that she was putting her arms on, putting her hands on her daughter, I think it's her daughter, in 25. I don't know how true that is. I didn't see it. So then I went over to talk to her. So I told her to come back. And she started getting louder and louder.
I don't have shit. What did someone say she took a drink somewhere else?
Oh, yeah. And what I got from her when I was talking to her was that the only thing that she said was she had before was that she was in the airport and some guy got her a drink.
Yeah.
And she said that's all she had before she got aboard. She took any medication. She said no.
I'm a Russian spy! Oh, kill me! I was proud of Trump! Пидорас, you, блядь! I was what for Trump, and you пидорас, блядь! What? What the f***? Take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. I'm American, take it off. I'm American, take it off. Take it off. I'm American, everything in my phone. Everything in my phone.
The next thing is tasing if you kick, okay? I don't want to hurt you, so just stay calm. The only reason we put this on, because you were spitting, okay?
Take it off, take it off.
We're going to take it off in the
I
hospital,
cannot breathe,
okay?
I cannot breathe.
You're not thinking
I
clearly right
cannot
now.
breathe.
You just calm
I
down.
cannot breathe, take it off. Take it off, I cannot breathe.
Come on, bro.
Okay, I say. Okay,
Everything
take
is
me.
fine. No one's trying to hurt you.
Okay, take it
gonna
off.
take it to the
Take
hospital,
it
you
off.
get
I
some
was in
help.
hospital. I was studying in hospital. Take it off. Take it off. I was studying hospital here too. Take it off, I say. Take it off, I say. America, take it off, блядь, педрила, блядь. Take it off, I say. I was studying here in medical school. Take it off. Take it off. I said take it off.
Relax,
Take it off. I won't breathe. I won't breathe.
We're going to take you to the hospital. You're going to get some help, okay?
Yes. Take it off. I won't breathe.
calmer
I
you
won't
stay,
breathe. I won't
the
breathe.
safer
I
all of
won't
us
breathe.
are,
Take
okay?
it off.
You tried to
I
spit,
will
I'm
have
sorry.
now issue.
You tried to spit.
I know. I go to my nephew.
It's
I
only a
want
spit
to have
mask.
my
It's
nephew.
going to hurt you, all right? You're
Never
not
do
thinking
the
clearly
contact.
right now. Everything is fine.
Take
You're
it
going to go
off.
see some nice
Take
doctors.
it off. Take it
And they're
off.
going to
Take it off, please. Take it off, please. Take it off, please. Take it off. I do everything for America. Take it off.
You're not thinking clearly
I
right
said, take it off. I come to for my blood nephew. He have my blood birthday. My nephew. My nephew have birthday. What the? What the?
Anastasia.
No, yes.
Gonna walk out?
Yes.
Sure?
I am American. What do you want? I am proud to be American. I am American. I am proud to be American. I am proud to be American. I hate Russia. You can read my message. I'm proud to be American. You can read my own message. I am American.
You gonna walk, Anastasia? Thanks. All right. We're gonna walk out, okay?
Deputy B, solid de-escalation proportionate force, weak medical response. Subject C plus pre-arrest aggression created her own legal exposure. Late cooperation noted. Crew B plus authority properly exercised. Pre-boarding screening could have prevented this. Lesson: when a restrained subject reports numbness or breathing difficulty, document it and arrange EMS evaluation. Silence in the report is not the same as absence of liability.
Where is my stuff.
Your purse and stuff is right here. See the purse? We're gonna grab your bag. Come on, turn back around. Turn back around.
Can you give
We're gonna get everything.
No, can you give me a little bit space?
We're gonna give you everything.
I cannot feel my arm. Please. Please. I'm not feel my arm. I cannot.
Okay, come on. Let's walk.
Oh my God, my love, I'm very, very good. See my arm.
Guys, close the cockpit.
I'm here. I'm proud to be here.
I want you to close
I
the
love
cockpit
you.
door.
Can see it.
Almost there.
I voted for Trump.
It's okay.
No, it doesn't
We're
kill
back
me.
Keep
going
walking.
over
It's okay.
for
it down and I
DEF.
Okay, kill me.
Your bag's up front, okay?
You kill me. Say my nephew, I love him so much. Doesn't matter. Okay, kill me. I'm very sorry. Oh my God. Oh, the name. Why me? I think
Watch it.
can you open the cannot breathe? Can you open it?
No, I'm sorry, Anastasia. It's gonna stay on until we get to the hospital.
Hold on. We'll get
No, why me?
we'll get downstairs.
No, listen. I can't here. But what is so proud? Man, for what? To be in the cell now? Thank you, God. Thanks, Mom. Thank you, everything. Thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you, God.
Nobody was
No, I couldn't get to it.
I'm
Trying to get on. You have a little area, sir. You're a little big.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. I was a bit different.
She's going for it.
I do too much.
Right. So I had to clean all my stuff out. I'm like, this probably gonna be a bad one. Can I make it without her falling? Nah, I don't know.
Probably not.
Come on, Anastasia.
You go that way.
It's just got Come on, Anastasia.
You won't kill me. But how is it? No. Ow! Ow! You won't kill me.
Yeah. Seat's clear.
Okay,
I just cleared it up before I came in.
Can you open little bit? Ow!
Pat her down.
Oh!
Yeah, you have to.
Ow!
Come on.
Ow! I'm alone.
She's not on the real.
Let me get the.
Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.